Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. You know that feeling that you get when you open your kitchen drawers and everything is just so nice and organized? Well, my drawers never looked this good until I bought this kitchen utensil organizer from the Joseph store. And I can't tell you guys how much I love it. So this is their one size organizer, which has 5 stacked overlapping cutlery compartments, 1 large utensil compartment, and then 2 smaller compartments. So instead of taking up a whole drawer just for utensils, I love this overlapping design because it helps to save so much more space in my drawers. And after using it for a while, now we're used to which utensil is in which section, but I really appreciate that they have these etched pictures of the utensils in the corner, which is not only super cute, but it was also super helpful when we first bought this. So I can easily fit 12 utensils in each section. And I read in the reviews that some people were saying their forks were getting all tangled inside the compartment, but I just keep my forks and spoons stacked, so I never have an issue with them getting tangled within each other. And because of the angle that the silverware sits in this organizer, it does tend to stick up a little bit, but our drawer is a little over 3 inches deep, so it doesn't interfere at all while opening or closing the drawer. I also love the fact that it's made out of bamboo, which not only gives our drawer a clean and modern look, but it's also super easy to maintain. I just wipe it down with a damp cloth when needed. I just can't describe the feeling that I feel every time I open this drawer. I just love seeing everything in its place. So if you also want to feel that amazing organized feeling, I would highly recommend that you try this organizer out, but that's just my point of view.